Hello kids, today's story is Circle's boat ride. Little Circle is going out for the day with her family. You need to wear this life jacket. Little Circle wonders what they will be doing. Then Little Circle sees a huge boat. We are going on a boat ride, says Brother Circle. Little Circle has never been on a boat before. She is not sure if she will like it. She can feel the boat floating up and down in the water. I don't like boats. Little Circle slinks to Mama Circle with her eyes shut tight. The boat starts to move through the water. Look, dolphins! Little Circle forgets all her fears. He loves dolphins. Now I love birds, Little Circle says joyfully. What did Little Circle's family ask her to wear for a day? A life jacket? What is the Little Circle going to do with her family? Take a boat ride? What did Little Circle see that made her love the boat ride? Fish? Oops, dolphins. How does Little Circle feel about boats at the end of story? She loved them. Bye bye.